With the discharge shroud swung open, install the screen. For this example, a 1/5/6 grader screen was selected. Ensure the screen tab overlaps the etch tab marking. Install the impeller with the correct spacers for the selected impeller and screen pairing. For this example, a round arm impeller was selected. Spin the impeller until the keyways line up. Install the impeller bolt. Hand tighten with a hex key. Secure the discharge shroud. Tighten the hand knobs evenly. Use a wrench to tighten down the hand knobs further. Do not over-tighten. Start the G96F at the selected impeller RPM. Do not start the machine with product in the screen. With the machine running, pour in the product. Run until a noticeable decrease in throughput occurs. To clean the machine, swing the discharge shroud open and remove the screen, emptying into a disposal bin. Remove the impeller and spacers. Clean the screen and impeller out of place. Remove the inlet chute. Wipe down the inside of the housing, collecting into a disposal bin. Wipe down the sides of the discharge shroud. As this product has been milled, it can be collected into the final product container.